We're going to Rottnest. Morning everyone! We've come over to Rottnest. I'm really happy. Really chilly, but it's okay. It's a nice sunny day. I hope we're going to see some quokkas. We're about to go rent some bikes and explore the island. Oh my god, we found some already. We found the quokkas. Look how cute they are. Hello quokkas.
Hey buddy. No.
With our helmets. There's a big like 22-kilometer loop you can do around the island. It takes you to the southernmost point. So we're gonna do that. I don't know how long it's gonna take. We don't go on bikes very much at all. And it's so beautiful. I think we're gonna stop a lot for photos and everything. Yeah, it's so nice here though. You've got to come over and do it. We rented these bikes from Pedal and Flipper. I think you can book them online and you can also book bikes through the ferry companies. But we just did these when we got here. $30 for the whole day. You're done. If you've ever wondered how quokkas sleep, there you go. We keep just seeing quokkas everywhere, so we have not got far at all. Since we've got 22 kilometres to do, we need to crack on a bit. But we've made it to this viewpoint and it is beautiful here. Just look at the colour of that water. So we went up in the swanky resort. It was very cool though. Look, these big tents on stilts. Really nice. This is the Basin Beach, I think. Oh, it's just incredible here. I wish it was warmer. Quokka. Is a shipwreck. Apparently it's a very good snorkeling site when it's warmer. There are just views everywhere you go on Rottnest. So nice. Ding. Got lunch with a view today. Just climb up to the lighthouse. I did not cycle all up the hill, but Tom did manage to do it. Well done, well done. So this is Wodjimup, I think that's how you say it, lighthouse. And it's kind of in the middle of the island a little bit. So it's just a little diversion of our main loop. But it's well worth visiting, it's beautiful up here. Rottnest is killing us. We are so unfit and it's way hillier than we anticipated. And yeah, we're really struggling. We're kind of nearly at the end, like the west end of the island, which is about as far as you can go. But yeah, it is amazing though, but yeah, it's hilly. Be prepared if you haven't been on a bike for a very long time. You might find it a little bit tough. We have come to the west end, which is like the final bit that you can cycle to before you have to start looping back. Whoa, knackered, but it is beautiful here. It's really quite rough compared to the rest of the island, but it's really nice. There's whales migrating here at the moment as well, so you never know what you might see. back to the ferry. Amazing. Look at there and I look a bit like a crazy lady. That's our day on Rottnest pretty much done. We're just giving our bikes back. We're gonna go see if we can find a couple more quokkas because they're everywhere, we love them. And that's it, back to Perth. Quokka, why are you in the quokka prison? Hey? What are you doing in there? Morning everybody and welcome to the Margaret River region. Let's get some of the drink in. We've come to a brewery. Well, that's really nice.